Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fit, fine, and healthy and are studying well at home. Children, let's begin today's session. Today, we will be learning a new topic, that is adjective. So, let's begin. Children, what can you see on the screen? Yes, there are 4 pictures. The first picture is of smart boy. The second one, big hall. The third one, green parrot. And the fourth one, round ball. Children, as you can see, the word smart is describing the boy. The word big is describing the hall. In the third picture, the word green is describing the parrot. It is telling about the color of the parrot. And in the fourth picture, round ball. The word round is describing the ball. It is telling about the shape of the ball. So children, here the words in blue. Those are boy, hall, parrot and ball. All are nouns. And the words in red, smart, big, green and round are all describing words. And what are they describing? Yes, they are describing the nouns. This means an adjective is a word that describes a noun. But children, this is not it. Let's see few more examples. Yes, children, as you can see, there are few more examples. In the first one, it is he is intelligent. Second, she is beautiful. And the third one, it is dirty. As you can see, in the first picture, he is a pronoun which stands for the boy. In the second one, she is also a pronoun and it stands for the girl. And the word it in the last picture is for the spoon. So here you can see the word intelligent is describing he. The word beautiful is describing she. And the word dirty is describing it. That means an adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. And all the describing words are called adjectives. Yes. Now, children, let's learn about the kinds of adjectives. There are 6 kinds of adjectives. The first one is adjective of quality. The second one, adjective of number. The third one is adjective of quantity. Next one, demonstrative adjective. The fifth one is interrogative adjective. And the last one is possessive adjective. Children, we will be learning about every kind in detail one by one. So let's begin with the first adjective, that is adjective of quality. As you can see, it tells about the quality of a person, place, animal or thing. That means children, adjective of quality tells about the quality of a noun or a pronoun and it answers the question what kind of. Let's see few examples. Children, as you can see the first example, Jane is a clever girl. Here, as you can see, the word in blue, girl is a noun and the word in red, clever is describing the girl. That means it is an adjective and it is telling about the quality of girl. And when we are asking the question, what kind of girl? Then we are getting the answer, clever. That means clever is an adjective of quality. Let's see the second example. The boy is drinking hot milk. Here again, the word in blue milk is a noun and the word in red hot is describing the milk. It is telling about the quality of milk. And when we are asking the question what kind of milk, we are getting the answer hot. That means hot is an adjective of quality. Let us see the third example. The house has a red roof. Again here, the word in blue roof is a noun and the word red is adjective of quality. How? Because when we are asking the question what kind of roof, we are getting the answer red. Let's move further. The next one is adjective of number. It tells about the number of persons or things we are talking about. That means adjective of number will come before countable nouns. Countable nouns means the nouns which you can count. It answers the question how many. Let us see few examples. Children, as you can see the first example, there are 6 students in the class. Again, here the word in blue is a noun and the word in red 6 is telling about the number of students. And when we are asking the question how many students, we are getting the answer 6. That means 6 is an adjective of number. Let's see the second example. The boy is holding 2 ice creams. Again, children, here ice creams is a noun and the word 2 is telling about the number of ice creams. Again, the word 2 is adjective of number and when we are asking the question how many ice creams, we are getting the answer 2. Now children, as you can see, the words 6 and 2 are telling the exact numbers. So these kind of numbers are called definite numbers. Fine. Now let's move further. Let us see a few more examples. There are few animals in the zoo. Again students, let's see animals is a noun and the word few is telling about the number of animals. It is not telling about the exact number of animals, but still it is telling about the number of animals. And when we are asking the question how many animals, the answer we are getting is few. That means few is an adjective of number. Let us see the second example. Give me some apples. Again children, here you can see the word in blue apples is a noun and the word some is coming before apples and it is an adjective of number. Why? Because when we are asking the question how many apples, we are getting the answer some. Again, I have told you about definite number when we are having the exact numbers. But here we are not having the exact numbers. So therefore, these words few and some are called indefinite number. Fine children, let's move further. The next one is adjective of quantity. It tells about the quantity of a thing. Yes children, it tells about the quantity of a thing. That means these kind of adjectives will come before uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns means which you cannot count on 1, 2 or 3. Fine? It answers the question how much. Let's see the examples. As you can see the first example, there is little juice in the bottle. Yes children, as you can see, the word in blue juice is again a noun and the word little is coming before juice and it is telling about the quantity of juice. How? Because when we are asking the question how much juice, we are getting the answer little. Let us see the next example. I need some coffee. Again, coffee is a noun and the word some is an adjective. And which kind of adjective it is? It is adjective of quantity. Why? Because when we are asking the question how much coffee, we are getting the answer some. Let's see the next one. There is enough water in the bucket. Again children, here water is a noun and you cannot count water. Now, when we are asking the question how much water, we are getting the answer enough. So here the word enough is adjective of quantity. Fine children, let's move further. The next adjective is demonstrative adjective. It points out which person or thing we are talking about. That means these adjectives are used to point out the things, to point out the persons. And these words are this, that, these, those. The words this and these we use for the things which are nearer to us. And the words that and those are used for the things which are further from us. Now let us see the examples. This painting is of my house. As you can see, the word painting is a noun and the word this is coming before a noun and it is an adjective. Fine. The next example is that box is new. Again, the word in blue box is a noun and the word in red, that is coming before a noun. Fine. Therefore, that is an adjective. And which kind of adjective it is? It is demonstrative adjective. The next example, these balloons are colorful. Again, children, balloons is a noun and the word these is coming before a noun. Fine. So, therefore, these is also a demonstrative adjective. The next one, those books are mine. Again, the word books is a noun and the word those is coming before books. Fine. So, these all words, this, that, these, those, these are demonstrative adjectives. Fine, children. Again, the word this and these are used for the things which are nearer to us. And the words that and those are used for the things which are farther from us. The word this and that is used for singular things. And the word these and those are used for plural things. Fine, children. Let's move further. The next adjective is interrogative adjective. Children, the word interrogative, this word says that this adjective will be used to ask questions. But there is a difference, children. Interrogative adjective, it will be used with nouns to ask questions. Okay? And the words of interrogative adjective are what, whose, which. Let us see the examples. The first example is, which bag is yours? Children, as you can see, the word which is an interrogative word. It is used for asking the questions, but it is coming before a noun here. Yes, it is coming before bag. Therefore, which is an interrogative adjective. Let us see the next example. Whose bat is this? Here, the word whose is coming before bat, and bat is a noun. Therefore, the word whose is an interrogative adjective. The next one, what language you like the most? Here again, the word language is a noun and the word what is coming before language, which is a noun. Therefore, the word what is an adjective. So, all these words in red, which, whose and what are all interrogative adjectives. Let's move further. The next adjective is possessive adjective. It is used with nouns to show possession. Now, children, what is the meaning of possession? Possession means to show ownership. That means belongingness. The words which are used for showing possession are my, our, your, his, her, and their. Let us see few examples. Priya is my friend. Here again, as you can see, the word friend, the word in blue, friend, is a noun. And the word in red, my, is coming before a noun. Therefore, it is an adjective. Next one. Priya is standing with her brother. The word brother is a noun. And the word her is coming before brother. Therefore, it is an adjective. And it is showing its position also. The next example is, Vinay is showing his gloves. Yes, here children, again the word gloves is a noun and the word his is coming before gloves. Therefore, the word his is an adjective. And what kind of adjective it is? It is a possessive adjective. The next example is, they are standing with their parents. Yes, children, again, the word parents is a noun and the word there, since it is coming before the noun parents, it is an adjective. And all these words, my, her, his, their, all these are showing possession. These all are showing relation. Fine. And these all words are called possessive adjectives. So children, I hope so you all have enjoyed my class. Thank you children and stay safe.
Children, subscribe my channel for more videos.